When you make changes to a database like what we've done here, the database itself will leave the space that we deleted empty. That means that you have what's called overhead within the database, basically large gaping holes in the database with no content. So now that we've deleted all this content, we need to clear out that overhead so that the space can be used for other database entries. You can see that you have overhead right here inside PHPMyAdmin, because if you look at these two tables, WP Comment Meta and WP Comments, at the far right-hand side here, you see that Comment Meta now has a 3.3 megabytes overhead, and Comments has 608 kilobytes of overhead. So that's basically the space that was left over when we deleted the content. And it also means that there's space left unused within the database. So now we want to optimize our tables to get rid of that overhead. And optimizing the tables can be done automatically right from within PHPMyAdmin, simply by selecting the tables in question. So I'm going to select both WP Comment Meta and WP Comments, and then use this dropdown down here to select Optimize Table. This will automatically run the optimizer, and when I go back to look at the structure of my tables now, you'll see I no longer have overhead, and the size of the database tables has gone down dramatically. So now the only thing that's taking up space within the database is actual data. And that means we're done with the process. Now we've completely removed spam comments from our site, we've removed all the comment meta for those spam comments, and we've optimized our database. And that concludes the process of removing spam from your database. But you can use the same technique to moderate other types of comments too. So in the next couple of movies, I'll show you some other SQL queries you can run to moderate other types of comment statuses.